Here's a 2015 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Refrigerated box located in the console. Front heated leather bucket seats. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Honda Link. Dual zone climate control. Automatic transmission. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Front and rear parking sensors. And V6 engine. Of the Odyssey's interior, Popular Mechanics describes it as astonishingly comfortable, very versatile, and exceptionally high quality. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Take it for a test drive today.